Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Yakima BackSwing. This is a bike rack swing adapter, which if you have a bike rack that you really love, but it doesn't give you access to your cargo area, this will let you take your bike rack and swing it out of the way. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some features and specs for the Yakima BackSwing. On the front here we have a 2-inch receiver, which means you can install a bike rack on here that has a 2-inch shank. As for the weight capacity for this adapter, you can have a combined total weight for your bike rack and your bikes of 250 pounds. To help secure your bike rack to this, it comes with a stabilizing bolt on top to help secure it. And taking a look on the back of here, the Yakima BackSwing has a 2-inch shank, which means you can only use it on a vehicle that has a 2-inch hitch receiver. To help secure it to your vehicle, it comes with a threaded bolt that also locks into place. You just thread it in through the driver's side. And then on the other side we have a locking pin, and using the provided key, you can go ahead and lock it into place. To help thread those bolts into place, Yakima does provide a wrench that has the 2 sizes for the stabilizing bolt and for your pin. So let's go ahead and show you how to install it. Installing it on your vehicle is really easy. You're just going to line up the shank with the receiver and push it in until the pinholes align. And then we'll go ahead and take our locking bolt and we'll thread it in through the driver's side. And then we'll tighten it using our provided Yakima wrench. And now we'll install the lock on the other side of the pin. We'll just click it on and then turn the key. That will prevent anyone from taking the bike rack off. And then we'll install the dust cover. Alright, now that we have the Yakima BackSwing into place and secured, and we've eliminated all the wobble in it, we're going to go ahead and put a bike rack and bike on, and we'll go ahead and show you the swing feature. To help demonstrate, we went ahead and installed the Yakima Dr. Trey bike rack. Now, instead of installing it into the hitch receiver as normal, you install it just as you would onto your vehicle into the Yakima BackSwing's receiver hitch. Now, you'd use the same exact features as you would with your bike rack. If you have your pin, if you have a safety knob, you do it all normal. And with one added feature from the Yakima BackSwing, we have the stabilizer bolt that you just tighten up and then secure with your provided wrench. To use a swing function, we'll just pull up on this lever right here, and then we'll pull out on this knob. This will let us pull it out, and then right here it will click into place. To bring it back, we'll just pull up on this knob right here, and then push it back till this gray knob clicks. And then we'll go ahead and put the lever back on. Alright, let's go ahead and open this back up, and we'll show you some benefits for having the Yakima BackSwing. As you can see, when it's in the open position, you can get in and out of your cargo area nice and easy, no matter if you have a tailgate, trunk, or hatchback. Now in our case, if we didn't have the Yakima BackSwing, we'd have to remove our bikes from our bike rack, as the case is for many other bike racks. And it can be very time consuming, especially if you have multiple bikes on your rack. Now with the Yakima BackSwing, you can get in and out nice and quick, and it also makes putting everything back together really easy. So thank you for watching our video. That wraps up the Yakima BackSwing. If you have any questions, you can visit your closest U-Haul center, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com.